This is Buddha. Y'all know I don't like long intros, so let's get to it. Firstly, I'd like to start with what is blockchain? Blockchain is like a digital ledger, or it is a digital ledger or notebook that records transactions known as blocks. Imagine a shared document, a Google Doc. Everyone can see changes in real time, but nobody can alter the history. It is a chain of blocks where each block contains information known as transaction, right? Or different types of information and is linked to the one before it. Simplified, right? Yeah, I'm explaining what blockchain is right there. Like this Google Doc that we're using right now, I want to share it with people on the Telegram. We got a Telegram channel. Y'all gotta check our Telegram channel. I want to put the information somewhere there, here, somewhere. You feel me? Let's move into the second stage. The key features of blockchain that I find interesting is decentralization. Instead of being stored in one central place like a bank's database, the blockchain is distributed across many computers worldwide, known as nodes, yeah. Immutability. Once information is added to a block, yeah, it cannot be changed or deleted. That is one thing that I love about it is those two key features. I'd love to tap into it when it comes to videos, happy, just speaking about decentralization and immutability. Excuse me. How blockchain ensures security, it's encryption. Cryptography. Each block is locked with a digital signature, a unique code known as passkey in most cases, that ensures data cannot be tampered with, right? Consensus mechanisms. For transactions to be added to a blockchain, all participants nodes must agree it's valid. This prevents fraud, meaning there's not just one person that validates the transaction like a bank. It's easy to penetrate into a bank, but here it's different people that check whether that one is valid. Yeah, then after that, kind of what is it called? I think it's called proof of work. Yeah, proof of work. Yeah, where you mining and you are actually solving and verifying a block in Bitcoin. Then you get 3.2 Bitcoins or 1.25 of but you get Bitcoins in validating the coin and making sure that it is safe, right? And it's transparent. Transparent and trust. All transactions are visible to everyone and anybody on the network. Think of it all as a bulletin board, a public bulletin board where every transaction is recorded. The openness builds trust, as users can verify actions without relying on a third party, such as banks. Real world example that I would love to use when it comes to this. Taking that we live in South Africa and we have a land issue that's hanging. It's a dark cloud that's hanging. Imagine buying land in a country with a history of corruption. A blockchain record can show the entire ownership history, making fraud almost impossible, damn near non-existent in this case, because you cannot alter what's already there. Understand? And it is public record for those that is on the what network. I suggest our government looks into this, blockchain. I know they've implemented some sort of blockchain in some areas or industries, but in terms of land, it would go far. Why does blockchain matter? It is revolutionizing industries like finance, fintech, obviously, supply chain, healthcare, known as tech, voting systems. Blockchain. Because in voting, we know ballots get stolen, voting stations get. Yo, I've worked in some of them. Yeah, there's so much corruption that happens in that, but blockchain would help us, in it, the openness of it. Yeah, blockchain ensures fairness, um, reduces corruption, gives power to individuals instead of entities such as governments. Yeah, we have the other people have a say. We could resist now the whatever government. Let's say government has a policy. We as people we can vote using blockchain that we are rejecting this policy. And blockchain can ensure that yeah happens. No dictatorship, no nepotism that could happen within blockchain. My call to action: if you ever wondered how blockchain is reshaping trust, transparency in the world, blockchain is the answer. How technology is doing it. In fact, blockchain is the answer. Stay tuned as we explore how technology is changing industries and lives, how technology is changing the world. Check my other video I'm speaking of defining cryptocurrency, and why it's needed.